Making money is actually quite simple. We just forget that like everything else in life, money is also governed by rules. If you follow the rules and best practices on how to spend, save, and invest your money, your finances will by default take care of themselves. On the contrary, if you neglect these money rules, you'll probably spend the rest of your life broke and in regrets. In this video, I will be sharing 4 fundamental rules for making money. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to receive a reminder whenever we upload new content. 1. You have to earn it. Money does not grow on trees, and even if it does, it will take some effort to pluck it. The most fundamental rule of making money is that you have to earn it. Money comes from providing value. Think of all the wealthy people you know. A large percentage of them became rich by providing some value. Bill Gates created Microsoft, Mark Zuckerberg founded Facebook, Elon Musk has tons of businesses, and Jack Ma founded Alibaba. Each of these billionaires rose to wealth by solving a problem in society. This means that money will always follow people who produce value. It's quite straightforward. If you want money, you have to go out there and offer something worth that money. This may be by getting a job or starting a business. There are thousands of ways to make money. Find what works best for you and get to work. Finally, on earnings, your potential to earn more increases with the level of value or satisfaction you provide. This is why a project supervisor earns more than a cleaner within the same company. Even though both jobs are important, anybody can become a cleaner while it takes some level of specialization to become a project supervisor. So, if you want to earn more, look out for ways to provide more value by improving your skills. 2. Money moves and attracts more money. I'd like to use a story from the Bible to explain this point. The Bible tells a story of a master who gave his servants talents before embarking on a journey. He gave the first servant 5 talents, the second 2 talents, and the third servant 1 talent. The first and second servants traded with their talents and made profits on their investment, while the third servant hid his talent. At the end of the day, the first 2 servants were rewarded, while the third servant was punished. As abstract as this story may sound, I see it play out every single day in human lives. People have been so blessed with potentials either in the form of an exceptional skill or in the form of a stable income, in most cases, choose present comfort over future security. While earning money is the first step to making money, I believe your goal is to make more money and eventually become wealthy. Money can either move away from you or towards you, and if your goal is to become wealthy, then you need money to move towards you. Think about all the transactions you perform daily. From cable subscription to electricity bills, transportation costs, and grocery shopping, this is money moving away from you. The only way to stay rich is to have more money to move to you than what is leaving you. To make this possible, you will need to invest. This way, your investment attracts more money. Don't just save, ensure you invest as well. 3. You can't keep more money than you can handle. The third rule for making money is that you can't keep more money than you can handle. More often than not, I have seen young entrepreneurs who believe that money will solve all their organizational woes. Yes, money can do a lot, but it cannot do everything. This is why some top athletes, actors, and children of the wealthy go from having everything to being broke. If you can't handle your money, there's every chance that you will lose it to someone who can. Let's put it to the test. What would you purchase first if you received a gift of $10 million? Let's be honest. Leave your answers in the comments section below. Did I hear you say a car, a house, and a bigger office space? I bet only a handful of persons thought about seeking the advice of a financial expert. People generally get overwhelmed by having more money than they can handle, so they compensate by engaging in a spending spree. Personally, I have observed that I become lazy once I reach my weekly or monthly financial goals early. For some reason that I'm yet to comprehend, I take a few days off after I reach my goals. Ironically, I could work all day if my goals have not yet been met. 4. Money does not follow ethics. I bet you are familiar with the law of karma, which in essence tells us that everything we do creates a corresponding energy which will come back to us in one form or another. Moralists and religious bodies often teach us that if you are a good and hard-working person, the universe will reward you. But the hard truth is that money does not follow ethics. You could be a law-abiding citizen, a doctor, or even a fraudster and still make money. As a matter of fact, it may feel like those who cheat the system often make more money. Now, this does not in any way suggest that you should become a fraudster. Follow your moral code, but be aware of the reality that money does not always follow your ethics. I hope this video taught you a vital lesson. All that glitters is not gold. Instead of envying someone and looking down on yourself, be proud of your skill set and trust your hustle. One of the advantages of working hard and making money the right way is that you will have peace of mind, live a fulfilled life, and won't have to look over your back. Don't forget, you will need to provide some value to earn money. Once you start earning, move to make more money by investing. Finally, don't forget to set smart, big goals.